Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's a no show face video. All right, it's all the product I've been using for like half last year to this very moment. This video, it's going to be about my body skincare product, also my facial skincare product, and also I'm going to be unboxing my skincare fridge that I've had at the house for the past few months. I'm going to be unboxing it, and also I'm going to be stocking it up to let you all see the product I'm currently using, the ones that I'm going to keep purchasing, and the ones that I'm not going to be purchasing any longer. Ladies, don't forget to like and also please comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and I'm going to be sharing with you what I feel about some of this product like I mentioned earlier on, and the ones that I'm going to be repurchasing or not repurchasing anymore. You all can tell I'm a lover of Olay product already. You all can see how I'm laying it out flat there. Ladies, in order not to bore you out, any product that you see that it's more than 3, that means I'm still using them currently and I'm going to keep repurchasing them. Those are Olay brands, and the first one by your right hand side is the body wash. Also, the next one is my lotion, and I have the exfoliation body wash, which I use like every Wednesday and every Friday that I use to support. That's why you have those two, and also it's something that they bring occasionally towards the end of the year. On the line is the Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil. This I use at night after I've scrubbed my body. Then the next one, it's L'Oreal brand, which is their toner that I normally use after after I wash my face. Then that's the next step. That's the toner that I'm putting down right there now from L'Oreal. So the next one is the vitamin C serum by L'Oreal. I'm using it currently and I will continue using it because it's very, very effective and very affordable. That's also from L'Oreal. It's also a serum. When I couldn't find the vitamin C serum, I was using that one as a supplement. Next one is also a serum, which is their nighttime serum by L'Oreal. I'm using that currently and I will continue to use it because it is very effective. Ladies, the next one, it's going to be L'Oreal morning moisturizer for my face, which has an SPF. Also, I have their night moisturizer, which I use at night. I told you I keep repurchasing them because they are very affordable and they're very effective. Some of you have seen my skin without makeup, and I always get good compliment about my skin all the time. So I am a L'Oreal fan all the way. Remember, this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. This eye cream is by L'Oreal. I didn't like it. It wasn't working for me, so I stopped using it. And I went ahead and purchased this one by ITK. It's a night eye cream duo. It adds vitamin C and caffeine. It's really, really amazing. If you can lay your hands on it, you will like it. It's effective and affordable. So the next one is my soothing float-on soothing facial oil. It's by a brand called Bubble. They are very, very affordable, very effective. That's what I use as my last step when I do my facial skincare at night. The next one is the cleansing gel by L'Oreal. This will last you for a while, like 3 months thereabouts. The only reason why you're seeing the cleansing gel as just one is because it lasts for a while. I have the one I'm using currently. Like, you can use that cleansing gel within 3 months, depending on how often you wash your face. I do take my bath morning and night, and I use the morning and night. Trust me, that thing lasts like forever. That's why I don't have like more than one display, but I have the one I'm using currently. Whatever you're seeing right now that I have more than 3, that means it's something I'm still currently using. All right, and if you see just 2, know that I have one representing at home right now that I've not opened or that I'm using currently. But the things that I feel like I will not be repurchasing at the next one, you're all going to be seeing in the next clip. So don't go anywhere. Let's jump into those ones real quick before the unboxing of the skincare fridge. What you all can see right now is the CeraVe brand. Not that there is anything wrong with them, it's just that they just stopped working for me. I really enjoy the toner. You can see that I repurchased that like 3 times. The rest of them that I didn't repurchase because my skin started getting dried out. It was not getting well moisturized. I feel like it's not the right product for my skin. Not that they are not good, but they are just not working for me, so I stopped repurchasing them. This is the mouthwash brand that I use. I've used more than one of these. I just don't keep them. I'm still using it. Very effective. And I use the roll-on by Secret. It works for me. The one with the pink cover did nothing absolutely for me. I didn't repurchase it. The sure didn't work for me. My sunscreen is right there on the floor laying down. I repurchased that one. I'm loving it. And every other one I just seasonal purchase. They were gifts that were given to me. Those Olay products that you all are looking at and the Victoria's Secret at the side were gifted to me. So I didn't repurchase. Ladies, I'm going to jump into the unboxing of the skincare fridge. I am going to rush quickly through it so I don't prolong the matter. You are going to see how I'm going to, unbox and put all the other product I want to put inside of it. All right, let's jump right into it. And please don't forget to like and please comment. Let me know your thought about this video in the comment section. Of course, it came with a manual. That's the manual that I'm featuring right now, and it has all the other necessary information, instruction that you have to follow before you install or you start using the fridge, which are very super easy to just understand. This is not my first skincare fridge. I had one that I won on Instagram some years ago, but it's no longer working, so I decided to purchase this. I love the fact that this one came with a mirror. That's the bonus for this brand. From this point, I feel like I don't even need to do any voiceover. We're just going to go ahead and enjoy the process while I unbox it, and I'm going to put my product inside and let you all see how it's looking. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So the amazing thing I love about it is that you can adjust the height in case your product is a little bit longer from the way it was programmed from the factory. You can just adjust it by removing the shelf, upper or lower. I like that. How my skincare fridge is looking right now. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching once again. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Please don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.